What's going on, Internet? Today we're going to be focused on something very important, and that's making you into a better friend. That's right, we're going to be using Python today to remember people's birthdays for us. So we've got our code editor open. We're going to be working in Python. Let's import a couple of libraries. So we're going to import date, time, because that's usually when people are having their birthdays. And import some OS functions because we are going to be doing some file handling. So let's save all this in a text file. So we'll have birthdays file, and we'll just call that birthdays.txt. Next up, we're going to set ourselves up with a little template for what the reminders are going to look like. So I have reminder template. We're going to have happy birthday to, a little space for us to put in whoever's birthday it is. Alright, so what functions are we going to need? So we're going to need we're going to need to load birthdays. So def load birthdays. We're going to have one to save birthdays. We're going to be able to add, remove, and check birthdays. So we'll add those as well. Add birthdays. Def remove birthdays. Def check birthdays. Now we're going to need anything beyond that. I mean, we're going to need a main function. I think that's going to be the core of it. So we'll go def main. That's going to contain our menu and everything. And then a little thing at the end to actually run it. Alright, so let's take a look first at how we're going to be loading these birthdays. So actually no, let's start with adding birthdays. So we want to add a birthday. We're going to need the person's name. So we'll take name as an input. Enter name. Oh, accidentally starting things up and it ain't gonna run. Alright. Take name. We're going to grab the month and the day. So going here, month equals, take it as an integer. So 1 to 12, so they're just ending an integer. Alright, now, what else are we going to do? We need the day. We'll do that as an integer as well. Into a day, 1 to 31. Perfect. Alright, so then we will create that as a little dictionary. Birthdays, name equals, and then we want to have month and day. So let's save birthdays. We'll call the function. We will send the birthdays. Perfect. Alright. So let's now look at how we remove a birthday. So we'll take the person's name, input, enter name, and then we'll say if that name is in birthdays, delete birthdays name. Nice and easy. And then we'll save our birthdays file again. So save birthdays. We'll send in birthdays. Perfect. Now, we've got our add, we've got our remove. Let's look at our save and our load. So, the first thing it does when this opens up is it's going to load all the birthdays from the birthday file. So, that's where we're going to initialize our birthdays object. So, well, not objects, dictionary. So say birthdays equals empty. Perfect. And then we'll try with open use our birthdays file. Oop, that's gone horribly wrong. Move birthdays file in write mode, so we use the W as file. So we'll just refer to it as file from here on in. So for name, month, day. No. I mean yes, but no. We want to open it, but we're reading, not writing. Alright. Got stuck in the saving things headspace. Alright, so for line in file, so we're going to start referring to each line within the file. Name, month, day. We will use line strip. Split here so that we can strip off each record based on comma separation. Birthdays, name equals int month int day. Right. So we're reading through and adding each birthday into our birthdays dictionary. Now, what happens when it goes horribly wrong? So, except file not found error pass return birthdays. So what we're doing here, we're opening the file, we're taking a look through. We add everything it finds, split by commas, into the birthday file. Sorry, birthday dictionary. If we can't find the file, we just say, okay, don't worry about it. And we send the blank dictionary which we've created up here. Alright, now, what if we want to save to the file? So we're adding things. So go with open birthdays file. This time we'll use write mode. So W for write mode as file for name, month, day in birthdays. Birthdays items, so the items within that dictionary. Go file dot write f name month name month day. Perfect. All right. So we've got our save there and done. We could probably try and catch around that as well, but in this case, if it can't find the file, it will just create the file. So we don't really need to handle if the file doesn't exist. Alright, cool. So we'll see that birthday is down here. Doesn't really know what this is talking about. So we're creating it up here when we load. We're returning it. Our main's going to pass this across when we call the add. So we will pass the birthdays object into it. Same for remove and same for save. Now everything knows what birthdays are. Okay. So, last up, we will finish removing birthdays. Because we've done an if, we haven't done an else. So if we can't find the name, we will say print birthday not found. Excellent. So if we say remove birthday, it's like, whose birthday is it? You're like, John's, and they're like, I don't know who John is. Perfect. Now we can handle that situation. Alright, now checking birthdays. It too will need birthdays passed into it. And then we will go, alright, so today equals date, time, date, today. So we've got now a variable there that contains today's date. How good is the date time library? And we'll go for name, month, day, in birthdays dot items. If today.month, so if this month is the month that's found in the item, and today is the day that it's found, print, we'll use the reminder template we made before, reminder template format name, and that's going to pass that name from our birthdays object into our little braces here, so it will show up all neat and tidy. Now let's tie this all together. We've got our main function here, so we want to first thing say birthdays as our object, and we will call load birthdays. That means when it returns either a full or empty dictionary of birthdays, we'll have it here. Then after that, we'll set up our menu. So we'll go while true, backspace, 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 while true, print excellent. We need a few of these, so we'll copy and paste that. So the first thing we want is birthday reminder tool, a heading. So we've got that. Alright, now I've accidentally gotten rid of my copy and paste. So let's try that in. Copy. We'll pre-paste in a few. We'll add in some lines just to make it nice and pretty. We'll say that option 1 is going to be add birthday. Option 2 is going to be remove birthday. Number 3, check birthdays. And then 4 will be exit. And then we're going to give people the choice. So we'll call it a choice of these options. So take an input where they can enter choice. Perfect. Now what are we going to do with that? We're using an elif statement, so if choice is 1, then we want to add birthdays. Pass the birthdays object in. If choice is 2, we want to remove birthdays. Or I could hit the wrong keys on the keyboard over and over again. Remove birthdays. We will also add the birthdays object there. Alright. elif choice equals 3. Make sure you're using the double there, because otherwise if you use one like I almost just did, you are setting the value of now we want our exit option. So no, sorry, check birthdays. We want to send in birthdays. Excellent. elif choice is 4. Break the loop. So we just finish the app, finish the script. Otherwise, and anything other than one of those numbers, we want to print invalid choice. Please try again. And because it's an infinite loop, it will reprompt them. Perfect. All right, let's give this a go, shall we? So we will go birthdays.py. No, right. So Python birthdays.py. And we have our birthday tool. Alright, so if we add a birthday, we'll say John's birthday is, we'll do this month, January on the 6th. Perfect. Let's check. We see Happy Birthday John has appeared. Excellent. Let's remove John's birthday. We'll run our tool. Check the birthdays. No birthdays found. We should probably have something saying no birthdays found, but that works quite well. Alright, we'll exit out. I hope this has been helpful. I hope you've learned something. If you have, feel free to drop a like, drop a comment. If you've got any questions, please ask it down below. Super eager to help. And yeah, if you want to stay up to date with the videos that we're making here, please don't hesitate to click that subscribe button, maybe even the little bell icon. Until next time, have a good one.